Next up, we have an actress, model, and creator. Trishika Bhardwaj is a motivational speaker with a voice full of purpose. From camera to stage, she crafts stories that inspire, empower, and leave a lasting impact. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Trishika Bhardwaj.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen, and all my jury. I'm here, Trishika Bhardwaj, and I'm here to talk about that one decision, the kind that flipped the whole story and the script for me. That one decision of not playing a side role and finally being the center of the stage and started living like my own story. I'm here to talk about how to be the main character of your own story. I would personally believe that if you have that confidence in you, you can live the world, as we have all seen that also. So, longly, I have gone through a lot of motions. A lot of. I was playing, I was being the main person, but still in the background. I showed up, but still, yet the people was taking all the shots for me. But now I'm here to tell you that it is not as difficult as you see. Just listening to your inner voice and trusting your mentality that it can change the whole game. And I personally believe you don't need the spotlight to come to you. You are the spotlight. And when it comes to you, you believe the main character era that I am already living in it. So let's start. By becoming the main character, I think it's not working. Please. Yeah. Okay. Defining the journey. Becoming the main character, as I said, it's not easy, but not difficult also. Expectations. We all have expectations. What family will say, what will be the pressure, and especially in India, definitely it is super high. And self-imposed pressure. Yeah, it is. Obviously. We all are here, our families are here, especially the women. Being a woman, I know the cost of being the main character. We always want that thing in our life that is never heard. But yes, it is the time to be heard and to be listened. Next, please. Okay, let's not stop the conversation. Yeah, and I think who have ever thought of being this main character? Have you ever heard about it? It's just recently Gen Z thing, right? But how about thinking in other way? I am, मेरे सपने, मैं. I am holding the family, I am doing everything, but in a side role at the back. Why should I be a supporter at the back? Why shouldn't be I the main lead role? I mean, everyone would have thought, even the men and the ladies, definitely. I am handling everything. I am doing everything. It's a societal pressure. I have to be there for my family, either as a father, mother, but how about like men like Mr. Sherry, the author? How about the women like Miss Pooja? Why not? Right? Changing the world, changing the mentality, family and society as freedom, traditions and freedom. Freedom is always listening to your inner voice. And it definitely creates a expectation, rigid timelines, what if late ho gaya hai, kaise hoga, now I cannot hear my inner voice. But I think you have to come out of that comfort zone to just stand like, I am the one. I am the one. It took me a lot, and if I connect with my personal story, I was nothing. Until a special person came into my life, knowing that you can do it. You have everything in your life. What is that is lacking? I said nothing, but still everything. She put me in the main role, and I realized my mentor, myself, knowing that, okay, you're nothing, me, myself. But she made me realize you are a star. And honestly, after that, I am feel like I'm the spotlight. I don't need your spotlight, please. being an actor, it's very difficult. And talking about the mental health and education system. As a life skill, we are never taught that how important we are. And we all have heard that अगर हम खुद पे काम करेंगे तो ही हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. And it is true. If we work on ourselves, things changes. Our mentality, our education, focus of fulfilling our dreams, chasing our dreams, bringing glam in your life, it is very important. So the pressure, government, and all, if we talk about the international level, that's where we have heard about the main character. Main character is they have freedom, but we don't have freedom. We have to bring the freedom in our lives. So I think that's international perspective, way of independence. Somewhere there's a loneliness, there's an emotional trauma, and extreme responsibility of yourself. If you take your responsibility, you make sure that it is you. It is you. And if you choose you, means it's the main character. Loneliness, as I talk about independence. Social pressure, that's very important. Nowadays, we also are feeling the peer pressure about it. That, okay, the vacations, the social media, I wish I can be like that. I wish I would have been. It's not that I wish. It's choosing yourself. If you choose yourself, that is 100% the main character era. And definitely, we see in the mirror, right? We always see the new part, oh, I look good. Do I look like a main character? Have you ever seen in the mirror like that? Obviously not, but you can. Like, I am the main character. I am living my own aura. Wherever you walk in the room, if you feel you are the tiger and tigress, everybody is gonna turn around and look at you. And performance pressure and identity crisis. You have to think that you are into Christ. Oh, she's thinking about me like that. Did you just saw she's judging my dress? Is she? No. You got to wear what you wear. You got to think what you think because it's your thoughts. It's your mentality of being always great. And I think it is what it is. What do you think? Like, I have seen a lot of faces being silent, but obviously saying that, what is she saying? It is you. I'm not saying. It is your inner voice. It is you that brings up the positivity in others and your aura. And becoming the main hero, that's obviously me, you're seeing in the room, but also you can be. Thank you so much. Be the main character, live in it, and enjoy your life.